Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video for y'all. This is going to be a video on my M-5 Waistpack first aid kit. Just a real general, straight to the point first aid kit. It can just use for minor cuts and scrapes and stuff like that when you're out, you know. So, as you can see, it is attached to my Maxpedition Falcon 2. And just start right here on the outside. First of all, there is a flag patch right here, and that's all that's on the outside. So let's go ahead and open it up really quickly. There's absolutely nothing here in the first pocket, but what I will be adding is some type of wound irrigation, also with some Band-Aid wound irrigation. Yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, here's the insides. This thing can hold a lot. I was not expecting to be able to put this much stuff in it. It really surprised me. Right. So we'll start up top and work our way down. First thing you're going to see here is I have 4 5x9 surgery pads. I have some alcohol prep pads and some wipes, some hand wipes. I have a triangular bandage here. There. Triangular bandage. Add some Benadryl anti-itch cream. And black nitrile gloves. One pair of black nitrile gloves. I have tape. I have 2 non-stick 3x4 gauze pads. 3 3x3 pads and 4 2x2 pads. I have the admin tool module from USNER doc, except the only thing different that's not in here is going to be the scissors. I took the scissors out and kept them in my FAK, and I just changed these scissors out. These scissors are sharp and they have rounded points, so they're going to work good for cutting a Band-Aid or tape. And Band-Aids. Just miscellaneous size Band-Aids. Big, small, really small. You know, the good stuff. And that really, that's it, guys. Just something, like I said, real simple, to the point. We'll cover up this is the boo-boo kit. Just real simple, to the point. We'll get a scrape, a scratch done. Nothing too fancy there. So appreciate y'all for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Later, guys.